What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about a new smartphone. It is Hafury V1. This is a very cool smartphone which comes with almost all the flagship class features. Especially, you know what, there is an AMOLED display panel beside the rear camera block, so we can use that display panel to take selfie photos using the main sensor. That's really an amazing thing, and yeah, my new girlfriend Rachel, she loves this smartphone. A few days ago, she has asked me, Han, you are a tech reviewer and you have access to a lot of different smartphones, but I don't have anything that I like. So, well, I have bought 3 different Hafury V1 for her, and when I have presented these 3 smartphones, she was like, wow. Well, we'll talk about all the features and performance of this Hafury V1. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Hafury V1 is a feature-packed smartphone. It has 8 GB of RAM on board, and we can expand the RAM up to another 8 GB, so we have access to 16 GB of RAM. Hafury V1 is powered by a MediaTek Hello P60 that is known as MT8788V. This is a very capable SoC and offers a very smooth performance. I have got the 256 GB edition for Rachel. More importantly, yeah, there is a dedicated TF card slot, so we can expand the storage up to 1 TB anytime. Okay, before I talk about DCGB, display, camera, gaming and battery performance, let's talk about the most important feature, the most innovative thing of this Hafury V1. There is a 1.41-inch AMOLED panel beside the rear camera block, which can be used as a viewfinder. Yeah, there are a few other options, like we can check notification, we can check battery status, and we can even control the music playback. The display panel has 320 by 360 resolution, and as it is an AMOLED panel, it offers vivid and vibrant colors. Personally, me and Rachel, we both love this. I have bought this for Rachel, and when she has got this, she was like over the moon. As she can use the display panel as a viewfinder, she can take selfie photos using the main sensor. That's a great thing. The main display panel is a 6.583-inch IPS LCD panel. Yeah, even if it is an IPS LCD panel, it performs like an AMOLED because Hafury has calibrated the colors so well. At the beginning, I was a bit confused whether this is an IPS LCD or an AMOLED panel. This is a FHD Plus panel and it has 1080 by 2408 resolution, and that means it has very high pixel per inch density. Black goes truly dark, white goes very bright. I think these words became cliche. Colors are truly natural, and even under bright sunlight, the display panel is pretty much visible without any issue. All the other necessary and standard features like dark mode, reading mode, eye care, everything is there. So yeah, this display panel is actually one of the best among all the smartphones within this price segment. I will let you enjoy a clip. Check by yourself, and I believe you will be overwhelmed. Okay, here is a twist. Even if me and Thea, we broke up, but we are good friends. And yeah, actually Thea also wanted to have one Hafury V1, so I have presented one to her too. I have taken some photos of Thea using the Hafury V1 side by side with another mid-range smartphone, and Hafury V1 has performed way better than the other smartphone. The other smartphone actually costs way more than Hafury V1, but Hafury V1 with its 64 megapixel main sensor has grabbed a lot of details, I mean way more details than the other smartphone, has maintained a very good white balance, and the dynamic range also seems to be a better on Hafury V1. Yeah, if you really want to take selfie photos using the selfie sensor, then there is a 32 megapixel selfie sensor which also takes a very good selfie photos. Definitely this isn't a gaming smartphone, so Rachel was a bit worried whether she can continue to play her games on this Hafury V1 or not. So we both have played a lot of games to check how good is the gaming performance of Hafury V1. And after playing Genshin Impact on this Hafury V1 for hours after hours, Rachel is satisfied. Well, we can play games on Hafury V1 and any graphics intensive game is playable. It's not playable. It offers pretty much delightful gaming experience. As MediaTek Helio P60 is an octa-core SoC and as we have access to 16GB of RAM, so yeah, playing games isn't an issue. It offers buttery smooth in-game experience if you keep the graphics settings medium. Hafury V1 has a 4350 mAh battery inside, and inside the package, Hafury has included a 18-watt charger. So we don't have to spend any extra money to buy a power brick. When Hafury V1 has its fuel tank fully refueled, when it is 100% charged, it offers up to 9 hours of screen on time. That's really a very long time, and as Rachel is a bit lazy, she doesn't want to recharge her smartphone every day, so usually she recharges her smartphone only 3 times in a week. That means this smartphone offers 2 days of battery life. Well, talking about the laziness of Rachel, well, she doesn't even want to carry a bag when she is going outside. So it's good that Hafury V1 comes with a very good protective case with a pouch at the back of the protective case so she can carry her cash or cards inside that pouch. And she loves to carry Hafury V1 as a bag using that chain. So yeah, if you're someone who'd like to do that, then Hafury V1 is a very good choice for you. Oh yeah, there is another thing. At the back of the protective case, there is a tiny little cute mirror which can be used as a beauty mirror so that anybody like Rachel who likes to fine-tune their makeup or put on some lipstick would love to use it. Well, we haven't talked about outlook and appearance yet because I think that's subjective. And from different people's perspective, different people likes different type of design. Anyway, I think Hafury V1 has a very good unique design, so most of you would not only like it, but maybe you're gonna love it. Cause me and Rachel, we both love it, not only us, Thea, Eva, Lucy, all of our friends, they all loves Hafury V1's design. Yeah, there are 3 different colors available and you can pick the one that you like. And altogether, build quality of Hafury V1 is also very good. It has a very sturdy build quality. This brand Hafury, they always uses premium materials to manufacture their products. So yeah, it has a very sturdy build quality and all the cutouts, all the curves are precisely designed. So in hand, the phone feels super premium. Well, before we wrap up, there are 2 other things I need to mention. Yeah, Hafury V1 has proximity sensor, accelerometer, magnetic sensor, gyroscope, light sensor, NFC, and yeah, it can be used as an OTG. And yeah, the fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button, so it is on the right side. This old school fingerprint sensor works perfectly fine. It's fast like a flash. Also, if you are someone like me who loves to use face unlocking option, then you will be very happy to know that Hafury V1 also has this face unlocking option which works without any issue and it's perfectly fine. Well, that's all about this Hafury V1, the new smartphone that my new girlfriend Rachel loves a lot. So what about you? What do you think about this Hafury V1? That innovative design at the rear panel? Yeah, this is a very good blend of art and innovation. I have left a link of this Hafury V1 in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. I like the blue colored one. Rachel likes the pink colored one. And some of our friends like the black colored one. So which color do you like? Let me know in the comment section. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.